up, everybody? It's your buddy Ben, the gamer here, and I'm gonna be doing a setup video. Now, I'm just a little channel so far, so I don't have that great of stuff. So I have an Acer monitor and a Logitech keyboard. My laptop's there. It's got a broken screen, that's why I use the monitor. I got my 360, my Kinect, my Roxio Game Capture HD Pro right there, and my TV. It's Sony. It's pretty good, I guess. If you're wondering why my gameplays don't have audio, it's because all I have to listen to audio is my Monster DNA Pros so far, because I broke my Turtle Beaches, and I'm looking for a good, reliable program to put my voiceovers on my gameplays. Just about to do an Advanced Warfare gameplay, so you can be expecting that very soon. Alright, peace out, everybody.